All right, what's going on, guys and ladies? So I just finished shooting my previous video and look what I found. This sucks big time. Let me pull the bike back a little bit so get some light on this thing. Welcome to another Urban Master experiment. So like I said, I just found this thing, and I guess today's second project is to fix this. So at this point I can't really tell how big the screw is, so I went home and got some soapy water. So let's see if it's actually leaking air. You know, I don't see any bubbles. Maybe it's not that deep. Yeah, I know, that's what she said. First, I'm going to try to extract this screw and try to get it with the pliers. It's going. Son of a bitch. Here it is. Hole's pretty big, but it's not through. Freaking zippy. Let me spray some water. It doesn't look like it's leaking air at all. No. It's totally holding. But at the same time, this guy is deep enough. I would say it's a half inch. Should I patch it or should I just like let it be like this? Not sure if it's just me imagining this or what, but it looks like the air is very slowly escaping. It looks like this bubble is slowly getting inflated. So I decided to actually go ahead and fix this. But the tire is under pressure, so first I'm going to deflate this a little bit. If that's good enough. Alright, so now I'm going to start the repair. I have this stop and go tire repair kit. I used it once. Luckily I never had to use it on my own bike, but I fixed my friend's tire once. It is pretty easy to use. Few simple steps, so let's go for it. All right, so what we got in this kit is this rim tool to actually clean the hole in your tire. Then this hole puncher, or that you use to insert this funnel. And then I guess this entire mechanism that you use to actually send that rubber plug into your tire. First step is clean this up with a paper towel and make a hole in your tire. Alright, so we got this hole ready. Now, the way this works is that you load this mechanism with a plug, and I'll show you in a second, and you use this funnel to send it inside the tire. But first, this funnel needs to be inserted. And I'm going to use this puncher to actually send this funnel all the way inside the tire. Turning it. And take the puncher itself out. So this is how it looks. It sticks out like this. It's all the way. Now take your plug, and the set has a whole bunch of them. It's nice and oily. Looks like a little mushroom. And load it inside this tool. Using this Allen key, I'm sending this core, the driver core, all the way up, down. Basically unscrewing this. Just like that. See, the core comes out. I don't want to take it out, all of it. You put this mushroom in, and it's actually, you have to push it in all the way. Almost like turn it inside out. And it has to make its way all the way, just like that. So the mushroom head is all the way in. And now I'm going to screw this into this funnel. And the funnel is tightly secured with this handle. Now I'm going to screw this core back in, and the idea is that the plug will get pushed all the way through the tire, and the head will open up. The head of the mushroom will open up just like a little umbrella on the inside. Just pushing it until I can turn no more. Should get kind of hard, but reasonably hard. And now it got easy again. And that's it. Like, it bottomed out. So if everything worked as planned, now the plug is all the way in, the little tail is sticking out, and the head of the plug is blocking the hole from the inside. Now just turn this, loosen this a little bit, like that, and unscrew the handle. Yeah, you see? So this is the core of the handle. It pushed the plug out. Now I'm going to just simply pull this funnel out. And hopefully I'll have the tail of the plug. It's kind of tight, but it's coming out. All right. And there you go. Wow. The plug is all the way in through the tire. The back of it, just like this little mushroom, opened up on the inside. And this is the tail. That's all there is that's left. Oh yeah, that mushroom head is fully compacted into this hole. So they include this little knife in a package. Let's see. There it is. It's more like a blade. It's not a knife, it's a blade. And you just cut this little tail off just like that. Now, in the last step is to inflate this. All right, so, and the recommended tire pressure for the front of this Fatboy is 36 psi. All right, we got 36 psi. And now let's see how good this holding air. Get my soapy water. Looks pretty good. I don't see any bubbles at all. And the pump still shows 36 psi. All right, so far so good. It's been a couple of minutes, still no bubbles. Still showed 36 psi on the pump. So it looks like I might be set with this. I'm gonna keep an eye on it for a couple of days. I'm not gonna ride it far from home. Probably tomorrow, I'm gonna spray it again with some soapy water and measure the tire pressure to make sure that everything stays the same. And then if that's the case, I'll just keep on riding. Well, looks like that is it. Another successful project. And if you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends, like, and subscribe. Take it easy, guys.